Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed and stuck in a cycle of procrastination? Let's break free from the productivity trap and discover the simple yet powerful strategies to achieve more, stress less, and live the life you deserve. To boost your productivity, start by setting clear goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This helps you focus on what's important and allocate your time and resources accordingly. Next, use a schedule to plan out your day, week, or month and stick to it as much as possible. Breaking down large tasks into smaller, manageable chunks can also help you stay on track and make progress without feeling overwhelmed. When working on a task, try to focus on one thing at a time, avoiding multitasking and minimizing distractions. Utilize productivity tools such as task management apps or time tracking software to streamline your workflow and stay organized. Don't forget to take regular breaks to recharge and refocus. This can help you avoid burnout and maintain your productivity over the long term. Learning to say no to non-essential tasks that drain your time and energy is also crucial, as is staying organized in both your physical and digital spaces. Finally, regularly review your progress and adjust your approach as needed, celebrating your successes and learning from your setbacks. By following these tips, you can optimize your productivity and achieve your goals more efficiently. According to a productive book called Atomic Habits, here are some additional tips. 1. Make it obvious. Increase awareness of your habits by tracking them and using visual cues or reminders. Make the habit part of your daily routine so it becomes second nature. 2. Make it attractive. Create an environment that supports good habits. Add positive reinforcement or rewards to make the habit enjoyable. 3. Make it easy. Reduce the number of decisions needed to perform a habit. Make the habit simple and convenient by planning out specific actions. 4. Make it satisfying. Celebrate small wins and create a sense of accomplishment. Use immediate rewards to reinforce habits and build momentum. Hit the like button if you felt this video was helpful and informative, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to consume such content for free, which also boosts me to make another video as soon as possible. Thank you.